broke that one off.
Oh, where's my microphone? There it is. Hit it down underneath there. Lost my mic. There you go. Broke this one clean. I was fiddling with trying to get my trolling motor to work. Right. Not bad. Probably a 10-pounder. Mark this location. Inches, 10 pounds, 29 inches. Go. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Here. He's off, or he's off. He's off a little. Yeah, it's just running towards me. Well, that's usually a bad sign. I'll catch one of these. I don't know. I always look at, well, at least I caught one. Yeah, that's good. But on a different perspective as far as catching how many fish and what size. I guess you can turn the motor off. Show them. This is a little one. Yeah, whatever. That's probably about 5-6 pounds. Yeah. Half gainer. About 12. I've moved these up about every 2 each. Yeah, this one that I. There we go. There we go. He's definitely getting on. Let's get up here. This is as we were saying, coming out here in the middle. This is probably at least a 10, not maybe in the 2s. So I just moved my T over right underneath. I'm going to move it out of here. Just Hattie. There's 42 all over. Here we go. He's going pretty good. Yeah, he was up there. He was. Oh, underneath. Underneath. It's going to flip us. It's going to go the wrong way here. Uh-oh, we got another one. Shit. There he is. I got that one. This one didn't. I don't think there's anything on nothing on that. From that wheel. Yeah, this is definitely too much. Get away. Pound, 31 inches. Oh! That was a belly flop. Yeah, hit him on this. Nice.
Of a high thing. Here we go. Something's going. Oh, wait a second. It didn't yank it. Something was pulling the bobber doing something. Yeah, it's coming. It's supposed to come from the south and east, and then it's going to the completely from the south now. And by the time we leave, it's going to be from the west.
Now you got three different directions.
Yeah, so it's moving. The front or whatever this is moving around us, and it's going to be blowing from the other side, from the ramp side.
Oh, there's one of those vortexes. Yeah,
you see it?
Yeah, it's coming out. This side.
Sometimes there will be like 50 or 60 in the back there.
Yeah.
It's really cool. It's when it gets cool and the water's still warm. And well, here in 1 minute, we'll see if we hear something. I don't see too many boats up there at the launch, so I think they all took off.
Nope. Yanked again? Man, I just need to not look at it, because every time I look,
it'll be okay. We just wait till it'll yank the pole back.
Oh, there it is.
There we go. Now we got it. Oh,
you got it?
Nope. It just dropped it. That's the shad. So it might have yanked that shad off because when they're frozen, it makes them softer. There we go.
Get it. That's you, Adam.
Okay. Turn it the other way. Turn it upside down. There you go. Nope. You gotta stand up. Stand up. Okay, just when you pull it up and then let it down as you reel down. Pull it all the way up, high. There you go. Now it reel down. There you go. I'm going to keep this going. Straight.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh!
Okay, just keep him right there. Then he's going to flop a lot because he's hitting as the way down. There you go. Okay, the band comes to the front.
Okay.
Hold on a second. Take that whole thing up, just stick it in the box. He's talking. He's going to want to flip. Okay, and just put his face up. That's fine. To the tail, the bottom. Okay, up to here, 32 inches.
Oh, 32 inches?
30, yeah, 32 I think. Ooh. So go ahead and hold that hand.
Yep.
Okay, and pick them up so Spinner can see them.
All right, let's take a look
Turn
at this
around.
guy. Hold it up too.
You can, or you just hold it with.
All right, hold it. There we go. Smile. Okay, got him.
Okay,
That's a
now
big one.
flip them out in the water as far as you can.
Goodbye.
That's it for now. See you later.